students. Well, my name is, sorry, I know most of you know me, but just in case, the name's Anton Lilliet, and I am here to be your school captain. I believe I'm very confident, responsible, caring, well-mannered, respected, and mature enough to be a school captain. I have participated in 2010 inter-school sports, 2010 districts, last year's first gala day, and have joined a school band. I tried to join as many things as I can throughout the year. I am very good at art and I love music, as in stuff like singing and playing instruments. I am also very sporty. If you vote for me, I will be a great role model by being responsible, caring, respectful, wearing my school uniform with pride, and enduring through each obstacle I bump into, like Mr. Nine. I'm never afraid of a challenge, unless of course that challenge my sister. I just warn you, I can be funny at times, but just so you know, having an important role can be fun but serious at the same time. If you vote for me, I promise fun and exciting things. But no, that doesn't mean that I'm promising our bubblers to spray out cordial or soft drink, though that would be pretty fun. Having an education is very important, and I encourage everyone to try their best, in every subject, even if you think that you totally suck at that certain subject. I believe in equality and standing up for what you believe in. I believe that people can change no matter what situation you get stuck in. So vote for me, and I promise I'll concentrate on you more than I concentrate on my head. Service to South State School, our best always. The name's Anton Lilliet, vote for me.